Number 8. In the diagram below, triangle car is mapped onto triangle bus after a sequence of rigid motions. If AR is 3x plus 4, RC is 5x minus 10, CA is 2x plus 6, and SB is 4x minus 4, what is the length of SB? So in order to do this, I need to find out what x is equal to and then plug it back in. So if they're telling me that triangle car is mapped onto triangle bus, we know that those two triangles are congruent to each other. So that 4x minus 4 is going to be equal to one of the segments over here. So what I'm going to do is actually highlight where BS is. And if we look, that's the first and last letter of our triangle. So I'm going to look at the first and last letter of my pink triangle, which is C and R. So I can actually see that 5x minus 10 and 4x minus 4 are equal to each other. So when I make my equation, I'm going to do 5x minus 10 equals 4x minus 4. So now when we solve this equation, we're going to want to get our x's on one side and our numbers on the other. So I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides of my equation. 5x minus 4x just gives me an x. Now I have my minus 10 equals negative 4. Now to get x by itself, we're going to add 10. And when I do negative 4 plus 10, I do get 6. So now you might think, oh, I'm going to circle choice 1. But the question's asking what is the length of SB. So we're going to have to go back to SB and plug in 6 for x. So when I go back to SB, I'm going to do 4 times 6 minus 4. And when I type that into my calculator, I do get 20. So the length of SB is choice 3.